Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. Today I want to show you one of the coins that most people really struggle with, and it's an error to do with this U2000 Millennium coin, and it's the Incused error coin. Technically it's probably not an error, but it is a highly sought after coin. And what it has to do with is the actual Union Jack on the Australian flag, and in this case this is the standard, the normal one. As you can see there, it's a U2000. Now, what the thing is that with the Union Jack here, on this one, if I grab my pen here, you can see here that the Union Jack is solid, and that's the normal one. But the Incused version, and all these ones here I've got here are the Incused version. You can see here, and hopefully you can pick up on the video, but it's actually in depth, which is deep into the coin. So it's not flat with the top. It's actually goes in depth. So there's a ridge there. So and that's across here and down, and that's the part that's referring to the Incused. So if I grab both the coins here and put them side by side, hopefully you can see the difference, because this one on the left is actually what you want to find. This particular coin is reasonably common, difficult to find in good condition, but if you find an Incused in very high grade, they're worth some very good money. But it actually took me years to find one. I had looked many times, and all of a sudden I found 3 or 4 within a week. But since then I haven't had too much luck finding them, but certainly well worth looking for. So I hope you can see there the difference between the two. It's solid in that Union Jack there, and then on this one here it's Incused. I'll grab another one here and just you can try and line them up a bit better. Hopefully you can really see the difference there. There is also another error coin to do with these guys, which I don't have an example of here, but as the die was wearing out, the letters for Millennium here are fat. The die was wearing out, and parts were obviously wearing out as it got pressed later in its life, and these lettering all became fat, and that's called a fat letter. But I don't think I've seen a fat letter Incused at the same time, but certainly there's a fat letter version. So yeah guys, keep a good lookout for that one. Very collectible, and certainly worth much more than face value. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and hit that bell, and every time I come up with a new video, you'll know about it as soon as it hits YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.